Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sell your crypto on Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in binance.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, on the top navigation bar, navigate to trade option. Hover your mouse to it and you can see 4 different basic trading options and 3 different advanced options. Choose the one you like. In the trading interface, you will see a list of trading pairs. You can search for the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Make sure that it is selected on Sell tab. This will sell your cryptocurrency at the current market price. Select the market in the Order Type section. After that, click on Sell USDT button. You need to type the amount you want to sell here. After that, click on Sell USDT button. Once your order is executed, the cryptocurrency will be sold and the process will be credited to your Binance account in the currency you selected. Be aware of any trading fees associated with selling your cryptocurrency. These will typically be displayed before you confirm your order. It can be helpful to check market trends and analyze price chart before making a sale to maximize a profit. By following these steps, you can easily sell cryptocurrency on Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.